Hello mga kaswabe. It's jamming time. Shoutout sa mga kaswabe natin dyan. But when I was a child, before I knew all the innocence, my father won't let me hide. And that's when my mother and me spun me around till I fell asleep. Didn't the strain would get me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. And I and my mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, still left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with you, I'd play that song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I only sit aside, and I heard a mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? No, you don't know usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Thank you mga kaswabe.